welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making a macaroni as it is a pasta. It is in different shape. It is very beautiful shape. I love it. Look at this, and children love this macaroni very much. So I thought, okay, let me use macaroni. And what I am doing, I am not using any tomato sauce or anything. I am using today with pesto sauce, which I made today. It is homemade pesto I am using. So guys, whenever you make this, either you can buy from market, but I have already made an video of homemade pesto. So guys, you can see my other video for pesto, but today I am showing you what I have to do. So it is very simple and easy recipe basically, but main thing of this key point, how you are going to boil, how much you are going to boil. Never ever boil any pasta or too much. Overcooked pasta becomes gluey and there is no flavor. Some people think pasta is unhealthy, pasta is made by plain flour. It is not. If you get a good quality pasta, it is made by semolina. Semolina is full of protein. So never ever confuse yourself. So it is going to be very healthy. So you can see my water is boiled already. So it is my boiled water, you can see, and then I am putting my pasta in. Always have little extra water, not too tiny, otherwise it will stick. You can see, and we don't need to put any oil in, because whenever you sieve it, oil will waste. So what we have to do, we just need some little salt, and that's it. You have to do, cover it and boil it, leave it few minutes, and your pasta is ready. But you have to keep an eye, it will take very few minutes. Let's see if our pasta is boiled. So here we go. It is just perfect. You can see it is just perfect. It is nicely boiled. Let's taste. Let's see. It is too hot, so we can taste here. So you can see, if you see, it is still bite when you break it. Little bite, little white thingy, not transparent. So on this point, just turn your hob off and don't overcook. So that means pasta is ready, and water is not white, it is not cloudy, it is very clear. So that means it is boiled perfectly. So now I'm going to sieve it. I'm draining this water away. Very hot. All my pasta gone in, drained beautifully. Look at this. Water is not cloudy, it is very clear. So it will go. I'm not cooking anymore. So now what I am doing, I am using just my homemade pasta. That's all. Big blob. I love pasta. And little salt will go in. Here we go. And some ground pepper, and some little cheese. Cheese is optional if you really want it. If you don't want, you can avoid this step. And I am using again vegan cheese, so it is good. Everybody can enjoy. We have choice. If you don't want to use vegan cheese, you can use another cheese, cheddar cheese or Parmesan cheese or mix. So look at this, it is looking beautiful, colorful. If we want more pesto, we can use more. It is again absolutely your choice. So here we go. Our pasta, our macaroni pesto is ready to serve. So I'm going to taste it. Just here we go. I can't wait. Look at this. It is going in my mouth. It is super yummy, super yummy, super yummy. Guys, you must go and make this pasta and enjoy with your friends, family, children, and share my recipe, share my video, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.